In 2013, Everett Public Schools became a kindergarten through high school STEM district. Rather than limiting science, technology, engineering, and math exclusively to certain schools or certain grade levels, the school board chose to make STEM all-inclusive. Today, STEM skill building and experiences begin in elementary school with the Engineering is Elementary curriculum. So, what's next? The district is working to create career pathways at each of our comprehensive high schools: Aerospace and Advanced Manufacturing at Cascade, Medical and Health at Everett, Information and Communications Technology at Jackson, and Energy and Sustainability at Comprehensive High School Number 4 if voters approve the February 2018 capital bond. Today, business leaders in these industry sectors discussed why these pathways are so important.
I have to tell you, I'm so excited about this. I think this is just pretty brilliant. And I love the adjacency. I think what students who are interested in medicine, oftentimes what you hear about is being a doctor or being a nurse. And one of the most fabulous things about healthcare is there are such a wide array of positions. And I think by beginning to learn about those before you get to college, just broadens your horizons. And you're not learning about it while you're doing your clinical as a nursing student that, oh my gosh, do you mean I could have worked in the lab, or I could have been in imaging, and there's medical record, and there's computer experts. There's just such a broad array. And I think if we can begin to introduce those before someone goes to college, they just have more information to help them prepare. You can have a lot of different career options staying in the healthcare lane. And I think that is just a really great thing to keep people energized about the work that they do and the care they provide to patients. So I think it's going to create a pipeline of healthcare, and whether they come to work at Providence or choose to work in Seattle or work at the Everett Clinic, that's good for our community. It's good for the health of our community.